right, and we go back to that story from that ray of hope, rather, from Giovanni Dennis. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in Jamaica and continues to derail the dreams of many. But amid the heartbreak, hope for some of the most vulnerable to lead a normal life, thanks to 2 hospitals and a local foundation. Giovanni Dennis has our ray of hope.
2021, this was Leecroft Letman in nursing school in America. Then one day, his world turned upside down, literally. He was driving and in a bizarre accident, his car flipped, leaving him hanging from the seatbelt.
I was finally able to escape by breaking the back window because the car was upside down and I wasn't able to open the doors because they were partially snowed in. Going to work became one of my most difficult challenges in recovery because every day I had to drive that same road to go to work, and that meant every day for the next couple of months I had to relive that experience.
At that time, he was a nursing student working at a nursing home. Today, he's a resident assistant nurse treating patients who are in critical conditions similar to him 4 years ago.
My experience has brought a whole new meaning to the duties that I carry out. It's made me realize that a lot of times I may be the only thing standing between a patient and them not being alive. And the thought of the vulnerability that comes with that I have once experienced has definitely made me a more empathetic, compassionate, and committed nurse.
Before this, the St. George's and Cornwall College past student was committed to football and basketball. He co-captained the St. George's Manning Cup team in 2019. He left Jamaica that year on an academic and soccer scholarship and earned a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing. He says he's always wanted to work in the medical field. Well, he's not just working now, he's excelling. He recently received this award from Morton Plant Hospital in recognition of his teamwork while providing care.
In reflecting on my journey, I think the biggest lesson I've learned is that life isn't linear. It's full of ups and downs, but that's essentially what shapes us into who we are.
In 2021, motor vehicle accidents in the United States resulted in over 42,000 deaths. Mr. Letman survived his, an experience that has shaped his perspective on patient care.
It's made me realize that patients are not just a sum of their conditions or symptoms, but each individual has had experiences that alter them in one way or another. And in order to help them achieve overall well-being, that needs to be acknowledged and used as the basis of care that is being provided.
Now, his advice to anyone who feels like they'll never recover from a traumatic experience.
Even though it feels like an uphill battle, God is watching over you. God has a greater purpose for you. And even though it may feel like you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel right now, He will see you through it.
With your ray of hope, I'm Romarda Lyons.
And of course, that ray of hope there is about the near-death experience 4 years ago of Jamaican Leecroft Letman Jr. And he is now in the United States as a top medical official. Archie?